The Lives of the Saints by Father Alban Butler, October 30th, St. Germanus, Bishop of Capua. This holy prelate was sent by Pope Hormisdas, legate to the Emperor Justin, in 519, to engage the Orientals to put an end to the schism, which had continued 40 years, had been fomented by the Emperors Zeno and Anastasius, both favorers of heretics, and by Cassius and other Patriarchs of Constantinople. The embassy was attended with the desired success. The heretics were condemned, and the schism entirely abolished. In it, St. Germanus and his fellow legates suffered much from the heretics, but escaped out of their hands. St. Gregory the Great relates that this saint saw Paschasius, the deacon of Rome, long after his death in the flames of purgatory for having adhered to the schism of Lawrence against Symmachus, and that he was delivered by the prayers of this holy bishop. Also that St. Benedict at Mount Cassino saw in a vision the soul of St. Germanus at the hour of his departure, carried by the ministry of angels to eternal bliss. His death happened about the year 540.